Hey there, Jeffrey here, Sephora Beauty Director.
And Myiesha, also a Beauty Director.
And Mama, this one is for you.
We love you.
Yes, this video is all about Mother's Day gifts. 'Tis the season, and I know a lot of you guys out there are building out your list for yourselves or for your loved ones. So this video is gonna be a lot of suggestions that are of products that are really designed or geared towards Mother's Day.
Yeah, it's got our wheels turning about Glenda, Jeffrey's mom, and Andrea, my mom, and what they want. We'll switch it up this year and not get something predictable. So hopefully this gives you some new and fun ideas.
Yeah, we've been kind of reminiscing on the times when they used to inspire us doing their makeup when we were kids,
what
or
makeup?
Not doing makeup when they were kids. Like, it's so crazy. Myiesha's like the opposite of her mama. She's a little glam baby.
I mean, I could have been being a terror after school, but I was putting on eyeshadow and getting in trouble, so.
I love it. At least you were doing something worthwhile, right?
Look at me
Look at you now. So if you're looking for some gifts to give to your mother or to any of those love ladies in your life that you really feel like deserve that extra Mother's Day love, then this video is for you. Okay, so first up, I know a lot of you guys love to gift your mother's skincare for Mother's Day, which is really, really great. A lot of times, you know, you have that mom who doesn't really wear a lot of makeup, a lot like your mom.
Yeah, my mom kind of keeps it very simple, much to my chagrin, that I want her to do all of these things, and she keeps it simple, which is what I love about her.
She birthed this little glam baby. Can you see, like, what?
I know. I'm like, are you my mother?
We love you, Andrea.
So I kind of think about my mom in terms of body care when I think of skincare, because she's not so big into doing a lot of serums and steps and things like that. So we have the Sol de Janeiro SAMBA Mama COCO CABANA Trio. So this,
so cute.
I know, it's so cute. I love all the little illustrations on the front. Very multi-culty. I
Yes,
appreciate it.
Vibes.
So in this set, you're gonna get the COCO CABANA cream, which is really beautiful. It has one of our favorite ingredients in it, kupuwasu, which kind of smells like a cross between pineapple and chocolate, and it's very widely used in desserts, so it has that like very desserty smell to it.
Yeah, kind of nutty vibes.
You're getting a limited edition hand cream. So she can keep that in her car or purse or wherever. Really nice. It also has a spray in it, and this is Charosa 39. Hope I'm pronouncing that correctly with my Southern California accent.
Sounded great.
And it's really cool because it's complementary to the fragrance. So this actually has praline in it. I like when they do a body spray and a body butter, and they're complementary, not necessarily identical, because I feel like it's a little bit more multidimensional when you're layering it.
And then you get extra layering products, like you can layer the splash.
Wear
with
this
like
alone and wear it with a different lotion.
Yeah,
so this is a really nice set for someone, maybe someone who just needs to wind down and take care of themselves. Even just putting this on after a shower gives you a few seconds of self-care, and it's really dry, I feel like, lately. So this is a great set for pretty much anyone.
So amazing.
I'm a big fan. I love Boom Boom Cream. It's my favorite. I wore out that body splash last year, so it's exciting.
Okay, so next up we have a really luxurious set from Mom.
It's pretty.
Yes, it's very beautiful. This is from Fresh, and this is called a Rosy Outlook. Now inside you're gonna get all of their best-selling rose collection. So you get the Rose Hydrating Facial Toner. You're gonna get the mask here. So this is the rose face mask with actual rose petals in it.
The toner as well has rose petals in it.
Beautiful. Then you're getting the Sugar Rosé Lip Balm, which has got a slight hint of pink, so it just gives the lip a little flush, and since it's a balm, it's that translucent wash of color, and it's got SPF 25, which is really, really great. That's a cult classic product. Everybody loves that. And then you're gonna get a full size of the Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream, which is their best-selling moisturizer for the anti-aging category. Really great for brightening the complexion. Rose is a really amazing source of vitamin C, and all of these products smell amazing.
Yeah, it's not an overpowering sort of, sometimes rose can go a little bit spicy. It still lays really nicely when you put it on the skin. My mom's a big fan of the sugar lip treatment, but she's such a natural girl that actually that pink shade would be like her pushing it. So I'm trying to get her into the pinker one. I've been like easing her into it because I think it would be so pretty on her, but Fresh is definitely one of her favorite brands. And this would be really nice if you gave roses to your mom and you gave this to her as well.
And another, I mean, of course, you know, everything that we do around the holidays, the brands really go in on the packaging and make sure that it looks really luxurious. So it's like gift ready. Like literally you could just hand this to somebody. I don't even think I'll just toss a bow on it and you're good to go, you know? So thank you so much for Fresh. Thank you so much, Fresh. This is an amazing gift to give to Mom.
So I'm a really big fan of the Sephora Favorites kits, and I like that they come in fragrance, color, hair, all kinds of things, which is really cool. But I've gifted my mom the fragrance set like way too many times, even though she loves fragrance.
So now you got to switch it up a little bit.
Switch it up a little. And my birthday's right before Mother's Day, so if I like mess it up, then my birthday's messed up too. So we got to get her something good. So they have the Sephora Favorites eye candy set. It's basically a ton of different eye looks. Basically, you're getting a ton of black eyeliner, liquid pencil, cream, kohl pencil, waterproof, and you also have some mascaras as well as a shadow stick and an eyeshadow. So this is really cool. I know Jeffrey's mom, Glenda, and she loves eyeliner. And my mom, while she's very natural, she's still doing that bottom 90s eyeliner smudge thing.
Yeah.
And I don't quite understand it, and I would love if she branched out a little bit. So I think this would be a really perfect set for her. And I feel like everybody's mom in the 90s was an eyeliner addict, so this is kind of like the thing to get to sort of like get her to try some new formulas.
For sure. And my mom is like all about the mascara and the lashes. You know, she'll layer it up for like a week at a time. She'll be layering that mascara. So
I feel like it's funny because we spent time with each other's moms, but our moms have never met. And I've sat there in your apartment and watched your mom put mascara on for like 20 minutes.
Yes. She is obsessed with the lashes.
So she would love Bad Gal Bang.
Yes, for
its
sure.
separation and volume. So there you go.
Okay, so next up for the lip color lover in your life, we have the Bite Beauty Kiss and Fly Lip Care and Lipstick Travel Set. Now this is really cute. We always love Bite Beauty's little mini sets because they give you the best bags, the best little tins to go along with it, and you get minis of their best-selling products, which we are obsessed with.
I'm looking at the back because the product assortment is on there. And
nice.
You're getting the agave lip mask and the new agave lip balm. If you've tried the lip balm in the past, they've recently reformulated it, so it might be worth a try. And this is full size.
Yeah, and then here's the lip mask here in Natural, which is a translucent shade. If you have not played with this product, it's definitely one of my Sephora 6 and an all-time favorite of mine, for sure. Go out and grab a sample or give this a go.
Yeah, very universal. I love the agave mask, and it's really, really versatile. Anybody likes it. Jason, my boyfriend, doesn't even really like wash his face properly. I have to make him, and he is addicted to that secretly. He won't admit it, but he is.
I love it. And then you're gonna get 3 of their favorite Amuse Bouche lip colors in here, which
there's
is
Chai. Which is a classic.
There's Chai, Verbena, and this color here is gorgeous. This is called Sour Cherry. Like, so pretty. We have to give that red a moment. Ooh, look at that, mama. You see that? That's beautiful.
Yeah, I don't know if I just want summer to hurry up and get here, but I've been really addicted to these like super bright lip colors lately.
And like I said before, you're going to get the little travel tote, which is always great. You know, I feel like moms are always needing bags to put all their stuff in. Like
bag ladies.
Yeah, bag ladies for sure.
I'm already one.
Yeah, or the bag for inside your bag. Like this is literally an organizer bag or pouch for you inside your purse. I love it.
Very true. Bite always does something really cute for any major holiday.
Thank you, Bite.
So as far as hair goes, we have 2 different things to show you to give you some gift ideas. One of my favorite things, it's sort of like my public service announcement, is silk sort of hair accessories in general, either pillowcases, sleep masks. I have my slip scrunchie in my head right now. So this is the sleep mask, which I find, at first I was like, oh, it's a luxury, but I just find it completely necessary.
For sure.
Yeah, because you always want some sort of like smooth material on the eye. Cotton is very drying. It actually wicks moisture away from your hair and your skin and all that. So I just absolutely love this. I travel with this a ton. If I'm on a plane and it's like noon and the air is shining through, or my seatmate has a light on, I just find it to be really, really nice. And again, I'm all about self-care, especially for Mother's Day. So I feel like this would be really great in a little gift basket or something. Like that fresh set to sort of like luxuriate and chill out, and a little sleep mask.
Like take the skincare set to the next level by adding this into it. Plus, I love using a sleep mask myself when I'm sleeping because that light pressure, I feel like it makes me go to sleep so much faster.
Yeah, it's almost like a weighted blanket or so.
Yeah.
This is the Silk Pillowcase by Slip. The pillowcases are really their bread and butter, or the main thing that they make and are sort of famous for. And I travel with these as well. Hotel pillowcases are always so rough. They're very burlappy, and I don't like to wrap my hair at night. I've never been a big fan of like wrapping my hair because it gives me a headache. So using this allows me to not wrap my hair. I sleep in my silk pillowcase, and then I use my silk scrunchie, and I just put my hair in a pineapple, and it's perfect. And then I could just like twirl it around a couple times and I get a whole hairstyle. So
nice.
I'm a huge fan of Slip. My hair is much healthier ever since I switched.
Yeah, I mean, she has a robe and everything. Like,
I
I'm
do
sure she
have-
like picked these colors because like, do we not see how they coordinate for her right now? Like, she got this
Possibly.
as a gift for herself, you guys.
Possibly. Big fan. Someone who knows their stuff is going to be like, oh, 100% silk. Thank you very much. So, really great gift.
Okay, so the next gift is going to be for the girl or the guy in your life that has a lot of hair and is always on the go and needs to dry it fast.
Yes.
Yes.
Or you have too much hair and you're not about that life. I don't like blow drying my hair for very long. I want it to stay healthy. We have the Dyson Supersonic Mother's Day set. So you're getting the Dyson blow dryer, and you're also getting 2 different tools. You're getting a paddle brush, which has a really, really nice sort of metal handle to it, so it feels really luxurious. And you're also getting a wide tooth comb. I like to keep these in the shower so I can detangle as my hair is wet. I find that to be very, very easy. And this is also really nice too. It sort of matches the blow dryer.
Yeah, so cute. Now, this one is outfitted with a special fuchsia color. And as you know, with Dyson, you're getting that super ionic dry. So you're getting a really fast dry that's not stripping or damaging to the hair, which is really amazing. So it's going to give you a lot of smoothness, shine, and then definitely tame any flyaways and give you a beautiful style. This is something that I've been coveting for quite a while, for sure.
I blow dry my hair like once a year and I still want it.
I mean, I don't have hair to blow dry, but I definitely want it for my kit for sure. So I'm putting it on my Mother's Day wish list. If anybody out there feels like giving me some kind of gift.
Nobody's mother. You don't even have
I gotta be my
goldfish.
own, sis. I gotta be my own. Mama, I miss you in Texas. I love you so much.
When you get a goldfish, I'll buy you a Dyson.
Okay.
So that's pretty much it. Those are some of our favorite picks for mothers in your life that you know, or for yourself if you want to gift yourself something really nice. If you have any other suggestions or any questions, you can ask them in the comment section below.
Or if you just want to give your mom some love and shout her out and pull everybody to her page and give her some love there too, then just shout her out there too.
She put up with you.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. So we'll see you next time, guys.
Happy
We're going to go
Mother's
call our
Day.
moms right now because we feel guilty.
Bye.
Bye.